Okay, let's start. Oh no, ज़्यादा exposure है, इतना गोरा नहीं होना हमें. Wait, let me go. Okay, fine, this is better. So today I am vlogging, as you can see, and I'm super excited because I am making a viral coffee, which you all know, the Dalgona coffee. I am seeing that on Instagram, YouTube, and everywhere. So this is my first time making, and I thought I should vlog it, and you should enjoy my struggle because I've seen it's a very challenging making coffee, the whip wala thing only, but let's see how I make it. So let's get started with the video. I have the option of Nescafe, the obvious one, but I only have one packet, and I have this coffee from this brand, the Continental. So I'm thinking to use this rather than this. I don't know how would be the taste, but let's try this. This much will be enough because we just need 2 spoons of coffee. So let's start. Okay, so we got 2 sachets of coffee thanks to my neighbor. She helped me with this. So we'll experiment with this next time because I don't trust this yet. So let's start because I know Nescafe has like a similar taste which I like. So I trust it and we can start. So this one sachet is exact 1 spoon. So I'll just add 2 tablespoons of this coffee. 2 spoons of this, and I'm just taking 2. My mama is helping. So 2 spoons, हाँ पूरी ना, अजीब ना, 2 spoons बस. So now I'll add 2 spoons of hot water. I couldn't take the shot, but I've added 2 spoons of hot water. Now I'll just whisk it, and let's see how it works. Zoom kar. Okay, so I have added 3 ingredients. Now I'll just whisk it for like 15 minutes till it gets frothy. So let's see, I'll give you an update in 5 minutes. Mama is making coffee to take with my help, and I'm working on my coffee. Let's whisk it till it gets super frothy. So right now the texture is of this much, you can see. My hands are gonna hurt bad. I wish I had a blender. Give you the update of the texture. The color has started to change and it's been only few seconds, so I think I'm going good.
More moments later.
वहाँ भी चाय बन रही है और मैं यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी बना रही हूँ. So my hand has started to change. Okay. So we can do this. You can see the texture right now, like it has become creamy. अभी 15 मिनट करोगे કેવું બન્યું. હવે આ ઠંડા દૂધનો એક કપમાં નાખવાનો અને એના ઉપર આ ક્રીમ નાખવાની અને દાલગોના કોફી આ નહીં ને આપણી સાદીવાળી નેસ્કેફે બનાવી. Third upgrade of our mixture, so it has changed its color and it has become more creamier, as you can see, and we are going to work it more till I'm satisfied with the texture I want. Nira!
Much later.
So we are looking for more light texture, as you can see. I'm whisking it for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the texture, well, very soft. So we'll do it for 1 or 2 minutes more, then we are done. I think I am satisfied with the texture. You can see it's so soft and airy. So we'll just assemble our coffee. Let's do it. So we are gonna do, I hope it floats. Woo! It is floating. How it looks by far, and I'm excited to taste it. Okay, so here we are. Just ignore the background noise if you get any. So it's the real taste test now. So I'm gonna have a sip without mixing it. Okay. Not bad. Now let's mix it. Yay! Let me taste this. How it is with milk. Let me taste it. Oh, I hope it's good. I hope it is worth the effort I have put in. It's yummy. Papa, taste कर दो. वरना मैं वीडियो में नहीं आ सकूँ ना. पापा वीडियो में नहीं आएंगे, बट वो आवाज़ से अपना रिव्यू दे देंगे. कैसा लगा? कैसा लगा?
Super.
Super. So he liked it. Like me पे. Yeah, so I give thumbs up to this new trendy recipe. It's good. It's like. What are my last verdicts for this coffee? I love this coffee. The first thing, it's very easy to make. You just need 2 tablespoons of coffee, sugar and water, hot water, and a bit of milk. Yeah, that's it. And you are with, you can see it's so yummy. I'm loving it. So it's a thumbs up from my side, and I hope you loved this video. I'm thinking to make such viral things at my home, and let me know if you like me watching cook or make something in kitchen. So you can like this video and let me know. I love you all. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.